In this video, I'm going to show you how to share your Discord profile link on PC using two easy methods. The first is if you use the Discord app. Let's launch the Discord app. At the bottom of the left side menu, click on the Settings icon. In the left side menu, go down and click on Advanced. In the Advanced menu, turn on the Developer mode. Now go back to the home page. Open a conversation in here. In the conversation, right-click on your profile icon. In the pop-up menu, click on Copy User ID. Close the Discord app. Now click on the Windows button and open Notepad. Now type the text shown on the screen. After you are done, paste the ID you just copied from Discord. Now select the whole text and copy it by pressing Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Launch the Google Chrome web browser. In the address bar, paste the text and press Enter. Here you can see that using this link, someone can see my profile and send a request. Now let's see another way. If you use the Discord web version, you can use this method. Launch the Google Chrome web browser. Here I have saved the Discord homepage in the bookmarks bar so that I can access it easily. Let's click on it. This time, click on your profile icon. In the pop-up menu, click on Copy User ID. Just like before, open Notepad and paste the ID beside the text I have shown earlier. Now you can share this link with your friends. Following these steps, you can share the Discord profile link easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.